Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page easily. So go to the Brizy web page and then you will go to create a landing page, create page, and then give the page a name, and then from there you go to edit page. Once you are in the edit page section here, you can start building the page by clicking on the icon, and from here you have the choice: either choose a template or start from scratch by clicking on the add a blank block. That will allow you to add your sections by yourself. So these are the different template you can see here that you can choose, so you can select. But let's go ahead and do it by clicking on the add a block. Then you from here you can customize it the way you want it. So we'll add some text, which is going to be our headline. And as you can see, you can pretty much format it as you're typing. It's like you were typing a document. Basically, you just type it in there, and then you can just format it the way you want. You can size it. You can put it in the center it. You can center it. Change the size, and we're not gonna add any image or whatever. I'm just gonna show you what you can do within Brizy itself, what you can use to make the page. So from there we're gonna add an icon, and which is gonna be served as an image, and it gives us the ability to format it, make it bigger, and we can select. There are a lot of icons in pre-installed with Brizy that comes already in Brizy itself. So you can there's a lot of choices in there for what you want to do. So once we select what we want, then we can just size it the way size it to the size that we want. And then from there also you can you can do a lot. You can change the color. All right, so now let's go ahead and add a button, a call to action. We can change the size as well to what we want. We can make it round or corner or square. It's really flexible, what you could do with Brizy. And then notice that this is online. You didn't have to install anything yet, which you could do because it comes with a plugin as well. And I'm going to show you how all this also you're able to synchronize it with your hosting, with basically whatever you could do on here can be replicated onto your hosting as well. And so you make your changes in here. You can just add your a domain, your custom domain, and point it there. So when someone goes to your domain, that's what they will see. It'll show the landing page that you created. It's just Brizy just gives you so much flexibility, and when in creating a website or a landing page. So now we're just creating a landing page to so when someone comes in, and then we have a call to action. And so we'll modify this to the way we want it, and and then once we are done, we'll publish the page. So if you want it here, the call to action is where you're sending people to, after they've clicked on the button. So with the Brizy Pro, you can just add a pop-up in here, and then so then they could just put their name and whatnot, and email address. So once we're done, we click on publish, and then we can preview what the page will be, what the page looks like. It shows us here what it looks like. Yeah, this is it. Pretty much very simple, very quick. You could do more, but for now we'll stay with this. And then here you can get statistics on the page. You can get the leads, get analytics. You can get you have options in there. You can also publish the page, and if you wanted to download the HTML code and then put it onto your hosting, you could do that as well. You could add your custom domain, or you can just leave it with the subdomain here, or and also synchronize with your WordPress website as well. It's very flexible. So here is your landing page, quickly done. You don't need to have a hosting, but you could if you needed to. All right, thanks guys. If you have any comment, just put it below, and let me know what you think.